Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is again another cooking segment with me, Triple Threat, and I am here to show you guys how I make my butter garlic sauce over top of my shrimp. And I probably should lower my voice so Mason won't wake up. But anyways, let's get into the video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. So come on, let's get into the video.
I think you my destiny. Come and lay next to me. Run up a check with me. Baby, come flex with me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think you my destiny. Run up a check with me. Baby, come flex with me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this is the part that I want you guys to remember. So I have my seasonings. So I'm using garlic powder, I'm using obey, and I'm also using parsley flakes. So what I'm going to do is the minced garlic, and I got the butter and the garlic clove, and I am going to blend it all up in the blender. I already peeled my shrimp, as you can see here, and I deveined it and it's cooked. I am just going to put that back over the stove and mix it all together. But here I just wanted to show you guys how I'm going to do my butter garlic sauce. And I'm just going to pour the garlic powder in the blender, the parsley flakes, and the Old Bay. And don't be too shy with the spices, okay? Because most people do not have a food processor, so I'm just going to show you guys how to do it in a blender. So let's plug it in and blend it up. So if your sauce is this thick, this is how you like it, because we're going to put it over the stove and we're going to cook it. But my food processor definitely would have made it more creamier. But I wanted to show you guys on a blender because not a lot of people have a food processor. So here I am just adding the sauce on top of the shrimp while I cook it. I'm adding a little bit more seasoning on top of the shrimp, Old Bay, garlic powder, parsley flakes, or fresh parsley if you prefer that. I am also making another batch of the sauce, and I'm putting it into the microwave so it can melt. So here you can see the sauce. It is so delicious that way. So yeah, so just drizzle it over top of your shrimp, and there you have it. So now turn on the stove again, let the shrimp cook another 60 seconds, not too much. You don't want your shrimp to overcook. As you can see in this clip, I am pouring the sauce all over the shrimp once again. I am marinating it once again all over the shrimp. You cannot have enough sauce, guys. Make sure you make a lot of sauce. So here you have it. I am going to zoom in for you guys, and this is how your sauce should look. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'm about to enjoy it. But anyways, it's still good for the food. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button to enjoy this meal like I'm doing right now.